Engine oil is often described as the lifeblood of your vehicle, and for good reason. Whether you drive a small hatchback, a family sedan, or a heavy-duty truck, your engine depends entirely on the oil flowing through it. Without it, the metal parts inside your engine would grind, overheat, and eventually fail. But beyond lubrication, oil also cools, cleans, seals, and protects your engine, making it one of the most essential fluids your vehicle will ever need. Think of engine oil as your engine's silent hero. Every time you start your car, oil rushes through tiny channels, coating metal surfaces, reducing friction, and carrying away heat. It's constantly working, even when you're stuck in traffic or cruising on the highway. And yet, not all oils are created equal. From synthetic and conventional to high mileage and diesel formulations, the options can be overwhelming. That's why in today's video, we're answering one of the most common questions drivers ask. What's the best engine oil for your car or truck, and why? We'll break down how oil works, the key differences between conventional and synthetic, and how to choose the best type for your engine. By the end, you'll know exactly what your vehicle needs for top performance, longer life, and better fuel efficiency. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss expert car care tips that keep your ride running smoother and stronger. What engine oil does and why it matters inside every engine. Thousands of metal parts move at incredible speeds. Pistons, valves, bearings, and crankshafts all generating friction and heat. Without oil, these parts would seize in minutes. Engine oil forms a thin, protective film that prevents metal-to-metal contact. But lubrication is just one part of its job. Oil is also a coolant, cleaner, and sealant. It absorbs heat, carries it away, and prevents your engine from overheating. It also suspends tiny dirt particles, soot, and metal debris, keeping them from sticking to engine surfaces and forming sludge. By keeping the engine clean, oil ensures that critical parts stay free of blockages and corrosion. Oil also helps seal small gaps between piston rings and cylinder walls, maintaining optimal compression for better power and fuel economy. In essence, oil isn't just reducing friction, it's actively optimizing performance. Ignoring your oil or using the wrong type can cause wear, overheating, and costly engine damage. Think of it like running a marathon without water. Your engine simply can't survive. In short, engine oil doesn't just keep your car moving, it keeps it alive. Choosing the right oil ensures smoother performance, longer engine life, and peace of mind every time you hit the road. Types of engine oils: conventional, synthetic blend, and full synthetic. When you browse through engine oils, you'll see three main types: conventional, synthetic blend, and full synthetic. Each has a different chemical composition, lifespan, and performance level. Conventional oil, or mineral oil, is refined directly from crude petroleum. It's the oldest and most affordable type, suitable for basic engines and light-duty driving. A synthetic blend combines both conventional and synthetic base oils. This hybrid option delivers improved resistance to heat, sludge, and oxidation, while being more affordable than full synthetic. It's a great middle ground for SUVs, trucks, and family vehicles that need reliability without a high price tag. Then there's full synthetic oil, the top-tier choice. It's scientifically engineered for consistency at the molecular level. Synthetic oil maintains stable viscosity under all conditions, cleans the engine better, and lasts longer, sometimes up to 10,000 miles between changes. It's ideal for modern, high-performance, and turbocharged engines. While synthetic oil costs more upfront, it saves money long-term by reducing maintenance and extending engine life. Simply put, synthetic oil is the smart choice for drivers who want maximum performance and protection. Understanding viscosity, grades, and oil labels. If you've ever seen numbers like 5W30 or ZW20 on an oil bottle and wondered what they mean, that's the viscosity grade. It's a simple but powerful code that tells you how thick or thin your oil is at different temperatures. The first number, followed by a W for winter, shows how the oil flows when it's cold. A lower number means the oil stays thinner and flows more easily during cold starts, reducing wear when your engine is most vulnerable. The second number represents how thick the oil stays when your engine is hot. For example, 5W30 oil behaves like a 5-weight oil in cold conditions and a 30-weight when hot. Using the wrong viscosity can seriously affect performance. Oil that's too thin may fail to protect under pressure, while oil that's too thick can slow down lubrication and lower fuel efficiency. Always follow your manufacturer's recommendations. They've tested your engine to find the perfect viscosity balance. Choosing the right grade means easier starts, smoother performance, and longer-lasting components. So next time you grab a bottle, don't just look at the brand. Pay attention to those numbers. They're the secret code to keeping your engine healthy year-round. Conventional vs synthetic. The real difference at a glance. Both oils do the same job, but under the surface, they're worlds apart. Conventional oil is a natural product, refined from crude petroleum. It's affordable, but its molecular structure is uneven, which makes it degrade quickly under heat and stress. Over time, it can form sludge and leave deposits, reducing efficiency and increasing wear. Synthetic oil, on the other hand, is laboratory engineered for purity and performance. Each molecule is designed to perform consistently, giving it unmatched stability across temperature extremes. It flows easily in cold weather, resists breakdown in hot weather, and keeps the engine cleaner for longer. Synthetic oil also reduces internal friction, which means your engine runs smoother, cooler, and more efficiently. And because it resists oxidation, it can last 2 to 3 times longer than conventional oil. While synthetic oil costs more initially, it's cheaper in the long run. Fewer oil changes, better fuel economy, and less wear on your engine. For most modern cars, high-performance engines, and vehicles operating in extreme conditions, synthetic oil is simply the smarter, stronger choice. Choosing the right oil for your car or truck. Selecting the right oil begins with your owner's manual. It specifies both the viscosity and the oil type your engine was designed for. That's your roadmap. If you drive mostly short trips or in city traffic, synthetic oil is best because it offers superior startup protection and handles stop-and-go heat better. For those living in extreme climates, scorching summers or icy winters, synthetic oil again takes the lead thanks to its temperature stability. Truck owners or heavy haulers should look for synthetic or synthetic blend oils as they maintain viscosity and resist breakdown under pressure. For older cars, high mileage or conventional oils might still be suitable, especially if changed regularly. These oils include additives that rejuvenate seals and reduce leaks. Also, always check for certification marks like API or ILSAC. These confirm the oil meets the latest quality and protection standards. Remember, choosing the right oil isn't about price, it's about precision. The correct oil keeps your engine running like new, ensures efficiency, and protects against wear for years to come. Myths, misconceptions, and maintenance tips. There are a lot of myths about engine oil, so let's clear the air. Myth 1. You can't switch from conventional to synthetic. False. Modern engines can easily transition between the two without any harm. Myth 2. Synthetic oil causes leaks. Not true. Synthetic oil simply cleans your engine better. If it reveals leaks, it's only exposing ones that were already there. Myth 3. You must change oil every 3,000 miles. Outdated. Modern oil, especially synthetics, can last up to 10,000, 15,000 miles, depending on your driving habits and conditions. And here's a pro tip. Don't assume thicker oil means better protection. Using oil that's too thick can actually reduce fuel economy and increase wear during startups. Always stick to your manufacturer's recommended viscosity. Finally, make a habit of checking your oil level monthly. Look for changes in color or texture. Dark, gritty, or burnt-smelling oil is a clear sign it's time for a change. Proper oil maintenance doesn't just prevent breakdowns. It boosts performance, saves fuel, and adds years to your engine's life. The smart choice for engine longevity. Both conventional and synthetic oils have their place, but the difference in performance and protection is clear. Conventional oil is fine for older engines or budget-conscious drivers, but for most modern cars and trucks, synthetic oil offers unbeatable protection, smoother operation, and longer life. When you consider fewer oil changes, better fuel economy, cleaner operation, and less wear, synthetic oil simply makes more sense in the long run. It's not just about maintenance. It's about maximizing performance and protecting your investment. Taking care of your engine means choosing the right oil, changing it on time, and staying consistent. Do that, and your car or truck will reward you with years of reliable service. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who love their vehicles as much as you do. Let's keep our engines healthy, our drives smooth, and our knowledge growing together. Thanks for watching. And remember, the right engine oil isn't just maintenance. It's performance, protection, and peace of mind. Additives, the secret ingredients in your oil engine. Oil isn't just oil. It's a precise blend of base oil and additives that make it perform under extreme conditions. Additives make up nearly 20% of the formula and play a huge role in how long your engine lasts. Detergents keep internal components clean by preventing carbon buildup. Dispersants help suspend contaminants so they can be filtered out instead of forming sludge. Anti-wear agents like zinc or phosphorus compounds, ZDDP, form a protective coating to reduce metal contact. Antioxidants prevent oil breakdown under heat, while corrosion inhibitors guard against rust and acid damage. Viscosity index improvers ensure oil maintains consistent flow at both cold starts and high temps. So the next time you pick up a bottle, remember, it's not just about synthetic or conventional. The additive package is what separates average oil from truly premium protection. Signs your engine oil needs changing. Even the best oil can't last forever. Ignoring change intervals can lead to poor performance, reduced mileage, and costly repairs. Here are clear signs it's time to change your oil. Dark, gritty, or burnt-smelling oil, a sure sign it's lost its protective properties. Louder engine noise or ticking, friction is increasing inside your engine. Drop-in fuel efficiency. Old oil causes the engine to work harder. Warning light or low oil indicator, never ignore this one. Excessive exhaust smoke, especially blue or gray, can signal oil burning. Stay ahead of these symptoms and you'll save yourself from major mechanical headaches. Consistent oil changes are the cheapest insurance your car can have. Environmental impact in oil disposal. Used oil might look harmless, but it's highly toxic. Just 1 gallon of improperly disposed oil can contaminate 1 million gallons of fresh water. That's why proper disposal is critical. Always take your old oil to a certified recycling center or auto shop that accepts used oil. Most parts stores and garages will recycle it for free. If you're doing your own oil changes, store the old oil in a sealed, labeled container and avoid mixing it with other fluids. Recycling not only protects the planet, but also allows used oil to be refined and reused, saving energy and reducing waste. As car enthusiasts, we love performance, but true performance also means responsible maintenance.